Welcome to the lecture on calculation of form and peak factors of full wave rectified sine wave. Myself Satyanarayana Vanapalli, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to evaluate form factor and peak factor of a full wave rectified sine wave. In the diagram, you are seeing a full wave rectified sine wave. A full wave rectified sine wave contains only positive half cycles of a sinusoidal waveform, so that the period of this full wave rectified sine wave is equal to pi radians. The mathematical equation for a full wave rectified sine wave is same as that of a sine wave. That is, between the interval 0 less than omega t less than or equal to pi, v of t is equal to Vm sin omega t. We know that the average value V average is equal to 1 by t integral 0 to t V of t dt. So in this expression, time period is equal to pi radians, then V average is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi Vm sin omega t d omega t. Finding the value of integral Vm sin omega t d omega t value and substituting the limits 0 and pi, we will get V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi. Now, the RMS value of the waveform is evaluated as V RMS is equal to under root 1 by pi integral 0 to pi Vm square sin square omega t d omega t. As we know that the value of integral sin square omega t d omega t cannot be evaluated directly. So, you replace sin square omega t value with 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. After replacing the value of sin square omega t with 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2, separate the integral and evaluate the integral values. After evaluating, substitute the limits of integration, we will get this value as Vm by root 2. The form factor is defined as the ratio of RMS value to average value. Substituting the RMS value is equal to Vm by root 2 and average value is equal to 2 Vm by pi. The form factor of a full wave rectified sine wave is equal to 1.11. Similarly, the peak factor. The peak factor is the ratio of peak value to RMS value. And substituting the values of peak value and RMS value, you will get the peak factor is equal to 1.414. Now we see how to apply same procedure to a numerical example. In the diagram, you are seeing a numerical example. The output of a full wave rectified circuit with peak value is equal to 250 volts and the time period is equal to 10 milliseconds. As we are evaluating the RMS values and peak values for a full wave rectified sine wave, then we need to consider the time period for both the half cycles of the sinusoidal waveform. As a result of that, what happens is the time period is equal to 20 milliseconds and frequency is equal to 50 Hz. Angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi f, which in turn equal to 314 radian per second, and peak amplitude Vm is equal to 250 volts. Therefore, V of t is equal to 250 sin 314 t. Now, you calculate the average value. V average is equal to 1 by 0.01 integral 0 to 0.01 sin 314 t dt. Finding the value of integral and substituting the limits, you will get this value as 115.15 volts. Calculate the RMS value. V RMS is equal to 1 by 0.01 integral 0 to 0.01 250 square sin square 314 t dt. Substitute the value of sin square 314 t is equal to 1 minus cos 628 t by t and separate the integral and finding the integral values separately. After substituting the limits of integration, you will get this value is equal to 176.77 volts. The form factor is the ratio of RMS value to average value. We find out the average value as 159.15 and RMS value as 176.77. Substituting both the values, you will get it as 1.11. And the peak factor V is the ratio of peak value to RMS value. Substituting the peak value and RMS value, you will get this as 1.414. So from this we can conclude that for any sinusoidal waveform, the form factors and peak factors are independent of frequency.